Okay, everybody line up the door. You don't have your backpack. There's no much time. But I just got one already. I said we don't have time. Yeah. Everybody still on up. Well done, guys. Let me take your attendance. Miss Talala. Connie, here. Lucas, here. Owen? Huh? Where's Owen? We're gonna do what? Oh, no. Oh, no. That's why you stay in the line.